good afternoon everyone, welcome back. Okay, so I have a request actually to see Coconut Beach, and I check on Google Map. It's just like around 7 minutes or 8 minutes drive from where I'm staying now, guys. So let's go and see this beach, because I see from the picture it's quite nice, and I think we can see sunset from there. And also let's see what is happening around in this area. Okay, let's drive around in this area. Before we see the beach, let's see the situations around here, guys. But I can tell you that the situation is quiet. It's just relaxing in this what you call this, in this island. Wow, there's a restaurant here, but there's no one yet. Maybe later during dinner time it will be busy. But I think my opinion is, if you want to go to Lembongan, is the place to relax. I love to stay here in Lembongan just doing nothing. But since I'm here, I just want to show you the beach, and also because this is the request, it is nice to see also, because I've never been to this beach before. I've been to other beach like Dream Beach and also other area in Lembongan in my previous video. Since I never been to Coconut Beach, so let's go and see, guys. Wow, what's happening here? In this area, as you can see, nothing much. Only local people live here, and still very natural here. Jungle, and what you call this? Yeah, it's cactus or something. I forgot the name of that plantation in English. Finally, I have arrived here at this beach after like 4 times asking to the local people, guys. I tried to follow the Google map, but unfortunately it doesn't work. So let's see the beach. And this is the parking area. It's not really big area, but you still can park your scooter here. And it's not really a big beach, I think, from the picture. But let's see. Yeah, as you can see, it's not really a big beach, but it's quite nice. It's quite clean, and there are some bars or cafes as well. Right there is a nice bar which you can have your food or drinks. And right there also Nila's Warung. This is my first time also come to this beach, and it looks so nice. And also you can rent this surfboard, canoe, guys. Anyway, there are a few activities that you can do at this beach. You can do surfing and you can do canoeing. And I spoke with the gentleman earlier. If you want to rent a surfboard, you can pay like 80,000 rupiah per hour. And for the canoe, it's around 100,000 rupiah, guys. And also, he said that if we walk along this beach, and it is nice, there are some restaurants, and also you can see sunset. So let's go and see and walk a little bit more in this area. Okay, let's keep walking. And as you can see, the beach situation is very clean, guys. It is very nice. Not really big, but it is very good. Wow, look at this area. It is very, how to say it, yeah. It's very nice to make pictures here. I think this is maybe belong to a resort or hotel, maybe, yeah? Because it is very nice, well organized here. and it's a bit too early for sunset. If you come, maybe 6 o'clock is the best time to see sunset, guys. Wow, it is nice and long walk path here. There is really big project here. Probably another hotel or resort will come soon. Look at that. Wow, what is this here on the right side? I think a hotel, maybe, yeah. It looks nice. And this street, I think, will lead us to go to the harbor. Let's just keep walking and see the situations around here, guys. And this is the deck bar and restaurant or cafe. Wow, there's a nice villa here, guys. Villa Damai. Would you like to stay here, maybe? It must be very nice. From here you can see the view directly from your room or from your pool. And there is restaurants here as well, guys, but still very quiet at this time. Here is Lembongan Lux Villas. There are so many nice villas in this area. Maybe I should stay in this area next time I come to Lembongan. Here also good restaurants, guys. Wow, you can do some shopping as well here. There's a shops that sells a lot of things. Handicrafts, dream creatures. And here also. So no need to worry for shopping. You can even do shopping here as well. Lembongan Island Beach Villas. It looks really nice from outside. Okay, let's keep walking around in this area, guys. And here, of course, you will find more cafes or restaurants or businesses. There's money changer as well, or shops, spas. Hello. Okay, let's keep walking around in this area or around Jungut Batu beach. There are a lot of businesses also you can find around here, guys. Bars, restaurant. There are some boats that will start and drop off from this area, guys, in Jungut Batu. Like this one is the Camel. The one that I bought, it was Tanis from the other area, which is Mushroom Bay. But anyway, they are not really far each other. So let's keep walking. Maybe next time you come to Lembongan, you can come to this area, Jungut Batu. Or you can also go to other area which is Nusa Ceningan or Mushroom Bay. Look at the sunset. It's very beautiful sunset. Wow, they have Indonesian food here. There are so many small cafes like this where you can go for your food, for lunch and dinner, and also you can enjoy the view of the sunset, guys. I like this area actually. And I think I came to this area when the first time I came to Lembongan, guys. It was very long time already, around maybe 2015 or 2016. It was not like this before. Now it's very modern. I mean, very clean, nice. A lot of restaurants like this. Before it was very traditional and not so many cafe or bars like this. Wow, you can have some ice cream here. Lembongan Dream. What is this? I think diving company. I thought it was like ice cream cafe or something like that, but it was like it is diving company. And look at that, there are some people taking the course, I think, for diving. And look at this, guys. This is a very new building and not even open yet, but it looks very nice, very modern. And it's really beautiful sunset, isn't it? But look at this. Looks not really optimistic. I think this hotel is abandoned. But there is a nice cafe here as well.
Send me loads of messages like,
I think this area is very nice now compared to the last time I came here a few years ago. There were a lot of cafes, restaurants, or other businesses open, and very clean as well. Maybe next time I come to Lembongan, I want to stay around Jungut Batu area, guys. Okay, so it was nice walk today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much, and bye now.